Did you know that the demand for ethical hackers is skyrocketing, with job opportunities expected to grow by 32% in the next decade? In this video, you'll learn how to kickstart your journey in ethical hacking in 2025, equipping yourself with the skills needed to protect organizations from cyber threats. With the rise of cybercrime, organizations are struggling to find qualified ethical hackers to safeguard their data, creating a pressing need for new talent in the field. We'll explore essential skills, recommended certifications, and resources you'll need to become a proficient ethical hacker, including programming languages, tools, and online courses. You must have basic knowledge of computer and internet, also working internet connection. If you are not willing to learn, anyone not guide you. But if you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Whenever I meet with people, they ask certain questions. Hey Edie, how you hack into Facebook account? Hey, sorry, actually maximum time. I faces this type of questions. These are some basic questions. How you got access into my Android device? How do you crack Wi-Fi password? Everybody asks to me, so you should have to active brain so you can gain. Before starting this course, remember that don't waste too much time without this required educations, because it's ordinary waste your time for skill. It can make you extraordinary. After following training step by step, you will be pro hacker. I hope so. During this course, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me. I'm here to help you. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a great day.